okwinamira omubiri gw'omugyenzi Sarah Nyirabashitsi Mateko obeire minisita w'ebyokwerinda n'enshonga za banka zirwanaho kwatandika omu kasheshe k'erizooba n'okushabira omubiri gw'omugyenzi omu kanisa ya All Saints Cathedral muri Kampala. Okushaba okwayebemberwa Bishop w'ekanisa ya Uganda Stephen Kazimba Mugaru owashaba abebembezi okukora emirimo yabo n'oburinganiza nikwe kushaba abantu okutoya emico ya Sarah Mateke.
Why should we spend all this life grappling with the worldly things? This is good. We should work, we should do whatever. But why don't we work hard so that we keep what is ours?
Abarukuzarwa nabo bamugambaho nk'otwira ry'empagi mpango eyeka yabo.
And would like to thank our mzee, our dad, who laid a firm foundation for the late Honorable Sarah's political career. We thank you both for the exemplary and selfless service. We also would like to thank the voters who gave Honorable Sarah a landslide mandate in a very special way. We thank you.
Mateka sigira omwana omwe w'omwojo Isaac Tugume Mateke kandi ogu nawe hiine byagamba hamagara ga nyina.
Mom was a person that never segregated anyone at home. She showed us equal love and care. In case I wanted something and she couldn't afford to buy it for the both of us, then she never bought it, so as to keep everyone at peace at home.
Bwanyuma omubiri gwa Honorable Sarah Mateke gwatwarwa mu ishengyero ry'ihanga kongera kwinamirwa kandi omukuru w'empanura z'ishengyero ry'ihanga Anita Anet Among niwe yayebembera omukoro ogu. Abebembeza barimu omuhwezi wa mukuru w'ihanga Jessica Arpo, engazi y'ihanga Robina Nabanja, ba ministers batari bamwe na bamwe hamwe n'abanyishengyero bagenzi be bamugambaho birungi byonka.
We are fighters. We lose people always when we are fighting. Our people die, we kill the enemy also kills us. But we move on. But we try to avoid unnecessary losses. Because anybody who dies creates a gap on our side.
Sarah Mateka akazarwa 2015 by'okwezi kwa mushanju omwaka gwa 1954 yashomera omu mashomero nka Merehiraho muri Mbarara aho yaherize senior nikwe kuza Bugema University akashoma degree y'ebyobushubuzi bwanyuma akaza omu ishomero ry'ebiragiro rya Kampala LDC akashoma ebaruha y'ebiragiro by'obutegeki yija yaza omu itendekero rya Uganda Christian University yashoma postgraduate diploma mu by'obwebembezi aho yarugera kuza Bugema University okushoma degree ya kabiri mu public health. Omubiri gwa Honorable Sarah Mateke nigwija kutwarwa mu maka jo muri Nyakabingo Kisoro ahiguru kwija kuzikwa aha bwa TV West ndi era akiza.